Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove silence and filler words using CapCut. It's super fast and perfect for making your videos flow better. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open CapCut on your computer and load your project. Import the video or audio clip you want to edit. Step 2. Click on your video clip, then go to the top menu and select Transcript-Based Editing. Step 3. A window will pop up. Choose the correct language of your video and then click Transcribe. CapCut will now generate subtitles and analyze your speech automatically. Step 4. Once the transcription is complete, you'll see options like filler word detection and speech gaps. Simply check the boxes to remove filler words like and eliminate silent gaps in one click. Bonus tip. After cleanup, use jump cuts or quick transitions to keep your video visually engaging. You can also apply subtitles directly from this transcript for better viewer retention. And that's how to remove silence and filler words using transcript-based editing in CapCut PC. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more video editing tips. See you next time!